If you're experiencing connection errors in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be causing the connection errors. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting your connection to the game servers. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, GOG, or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for any available updates. Keeping your drivers current can help improve connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors in Cyberpunk 2077. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.